BB. Welcome back to my channel. This comes from Tanya from Sidegate Crafts. She not so long ago had a challenge and I sent in my little submission. I don't know what to refer to it as, but I participated. And I'm assuming this is like a little thank you letter or something. So Tanya, thank you so much. She's so sweet, you guys. Y'all have to go check out her channel. Anytime I'm at her channel, she always makes me feel so at home. And she always does projects and so inspiring, and she loves to teach us what to do. Oh my gosh. Aww. That's beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. I hope y'all are seeing it. Look at this. It's so iridescent and beautiful. How pretty. And here's her information, guys. So if y'all would like to go follow her on Facebook, please go and do so right now. Look at that stamp. That is so cute. I love it. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and have a read. Oh, you guys, she says, hi, BB. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to send you a thank you for entering my 100 subby challenge. You are so welcome, Tanya. I had so much fun making your goodie for you. I loved your card. No, I won't take the paper off. I love it, and we'll keep it as is. She's so sweet. Thank you so much for your support. I'm glad we've met. I'm so glad that I've met a new friend, and I hope that, I don't know, I hope that it continues to grow. All right, you guys, that is all. Tanya, thank you once again so very much. I cannot wait to put this in my journal and journal it along with my other cuties, and I hope y'all have a lovely day. Bye, guys.